It's this time again. We are reviewing a brand new guitar. This one here is from STRICH. They've collaborated with me and sent me for my review this beautiful electric guitar. This is a 39-inch guitar, full-size, adult-size guitar. Beautiful, solid wood. I don't have any specificity on the wood exactly, but it is solid wood. Really nice. Feels like maple up top here. Really, really nice and smooth. I'm all about having a very smooth neck, especially the back of the neck. The fret side obviously as well, but the back of the neck, I need to be able to, slide up and down the neck and do exactly what I want to do with the guitar, obviously. Now, for the exact look, I mean, you look at this, it is the classic style electric guitar that you would find in a lot of these American shops. Beautiful design, beautiful kind of like that Strat look, which we all love and kind of like associate with like these guitar heroes of past decades. Definitely a really cool looking guitar. Now we're going to talk about what this whole kind of setup consists of, because it is a beginner's set. And the really nice thing about beginner's set is that they give you everything to get you started without having to run back out or get back online and get something else. You really have everything to get yourself started. We're going to go, obviously, we've talked about the guitar. I haven't opened this little pack yet, except for the tuner, because yes, they do give you a digital tuner to help you get yourself started, of course. And this tuner can do a bunch of different instruments, obviously string instruments. Just make sure you're under the G, so it is G for guitar. And as soon as you're in that G mode, then you'll be able to do your whole tuning. Obviously, we've got the E, A, D, G, just a little under G, B, and number 1, E. The really cool thing with this digital tuner as well is when you are striking the chord or the string, it will also give you a little number. So if I'm striking this bottom E, it's going to give me number 6 because that's the 6th string. If I go on to this E, it's going to give me a little number 1 because that's the highest octave, highest string, and it is the number 1 string. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at everything else that this little pouch, very convenient pouch, has to offer. So very cool. Strings, electric strings. Obviously, you need guitar strings for this bad boy. It comes already pre-strung. All you need to do is literally just tune it like I just did. The strings themselves are not of the highest quality, and the reason why is because every player is different. If you're a beginner, you'd probably want to start with these strings. They're a lot softer, a lot lighter as far as touch. I'm more of a medium kind of tension kind of guy. See, and the other thing to note is that when you first tune your guitar, when you first open it out of the box, the tuning is going to go all over the place, and there's a very, very good reason for that. The strings, the guitar needs to adjust itself, obviously, with the temperature, with the humidity, but also just being, tight, because in the box, they are a little on the loose side, which is normal, obviously. So, strings, fantastic. We got strings, so when we need to change them, we have some strings to change. The other thing that they actually do provide, this is obviously things you might not need right away as a beginner, but it is really nice to have. Capo. So a capo, for those of you who don't know, it's literally and you've probably seen your favorite guitarist up there, to really slide up and down the neck. So if I want to do a C chord, C open chord, I can do a C open chord here. I can do a open C chord here, and it becomes a completely different chord, although the shape doesn't change. So it's really, really helpful when you're a beginner and you want to go up and down that neck. A lot of those tablatures that you find online will also have, maybe your favorite song will have capo 2 on open, normal open chords, but in capo 2 or capo 4. That is why the capo is there. That's really, really handy. I like that they actually give that to you. Give you a nice little strap. It's a basic strap, let's call it what it is. Obviously, the STRICH strap, little logo right here. That strap will attach right here on that nut and on this top right here. And it is if you want to rock out standing up. Most of my playing nowadays, I mean, I used to play standing up in front of people and with a band and this and that and just to jam out and have fun. Most of my playing nowadays is sitting down, and I'm a much more comfortable player this way. So I don't really use the strap anymore, but I love the fact that they actually give you one in the package. So that's a plus. Let's go with the really simple stuff. A little chamois to make sure that your guitar stays shiny and brand new looking. So we love that. And the second to last thing, actually more than second to last thing, we're not even done yet. We've got the whammy bar. So the whammy bar is pretty simple. You're going to have it hooked up right here. You can play with one or not. So all it is you install it. Once you feel a little bit of that tension, all that whammy bar is going to do is if you're playing with it, so let's say I'm going to go in an open E. So yeah, that whammy bar just messed up my whole tuning because we are just starting, right? We're just giving that guitar, it's basically it's stretching, and it's so now I'm going to have to like retune the whole thing, which is fine. So once we're all tuned back again, super simple, we are going to test out what comes with next. We've got a actual cable, so premium guitar cable, and this little amp. I told you that we would have everything in one-stop shop, basically, which is really cool. So let's open this up, and let's see. It's I would say it's a basic 3/4 inch cable, but it's going to do the job, and that's all we care about. Look at this wireless speaker. This is a 10 watt, I believe it's a 2 times 5 watts, so 10 watt amp. We're gonna hook it up right now, and we are on. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to go. It even has Bluetooth on this thing. It's pretty cool. So I've got the gain up, some tone here. I've got the off power. Okay, let's try it. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's actually super clean, huh? Probably have to tune it again. I can feel how the strings are just basically so light that they're playing up and down that tone. But of course, I would have to just, again, this is what you do when you have a guitar the very first time you have it out. You're continuously tuning it to make sure that at one point your guitar is just going to say, I'm happy where I'm at, right? Cool thing with this too is that it has a Bluetooth, like I mentioned earlier, and the Bluetooth basically is going to make you you could connect your phone via Bluetooth, play some songs. Maybe you want to solo on a song or just strum along with the song. You can do that. Now I want to try the drive mode, because that was what we just heard was the clean mode, and now we're going to try the drive mode. Nice. I mean, the drive obviously has a little bit more distortion, but it is still clean on a small little 10 watt amp. I'm actually super surprised. I'm not sure how well it translates on this microphone here because, of course, we are playing all of this live. There's no gimmicks. There's no input, output kind of like digital board. It is literally just coming out of this little thing. I've got control over my aux, over my Bluetooth. I've got control over my volume of this guitar. And then I've got a couple of tones. So, yeah. Keeping, and by keeping I mean it's staying a little bit better in tune already after just 5 minutes. And the cool thing too is I've got 3 single coils here, so I've got pickups galore, and I can obviously, by switching the pickups, I can switch the tone, the tonality of the actual guitar. I think this is super cool. It is, again, a great package altogether, I think, because it comes with everything pretty much under the sun that you need to get yourself started. I think it's a straight winner. What else am I missing here? Actually, I know what I'm missing. I have to show you this. One little thing, this little speaker is rechargeable via USB, and they give you that USB cable. And last but not least, you do have a soft pouch, soft carrying case for the guitar and all its accessories, because you do have, you know, pockets right here. You will have the nice plush kind of like carrying backpack style pouch. Really nice, really nice plush and solid handle right here, so you can have it in 2 ways. I love that when they do that. They have not missed a step with this. Stritch makes a really nice beginner's guitar. If you're looking for yourself or for someone that is jonesing to learn how to play guitar, definitely look at something like this, because it is an easier time to learn the guitar. It's a great kind of like gateway to get into this beautiful universe of guitar playing. Highly recommend this one. This is fantastic.